Hi, it's Jenny from Coding Workshops for Kids. Welcome to Python Programming. So why learn Python? Well, it's a general purpose language, which means it can be used to build just about anything, which will be made easy with the right tools and libraries. And professionally, Python is great for back-end web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. And many developers have also used Python to build productivity tools, games, desktop apps. So there are plenty of resources to help you to learn how to do those as well. Python is easy. It's really beginner friendly. It was designed to be easy to understand and fun to use. And its name came from Monty Python. So a lot of its beginner tutorials reference it. Fun is a great motivator, and since you'll be able to build prototypes and tools quickly with Python, many find coding in Python a very satisfying experience. So Python has gained a lot of popularity for being a beginner-friendly language, and it has replaced Java as its most popular language at top universities in America. It's also easy to understand. It's a high-level language, and it reads like English, and it handles a lot of complexity for you. So it's very beginner friendly, and it does allow beginners to focus on learning programming concepts and not to have to worry about too much detail. And it's very flexible. It's a dynamically typed language, so it means it's really flexible. There are no hard rules on how to build features, and you have more flexibility solving problems using different methods. And it's also more forgiving of errors. So you'll still be able to compile and run your program until you hit the problem areas. Python is popular. It can do desktop apps and web apps. It can do data mining, and it can do scientific computing. And the popular sites built with Python, you know all these big names: Google, Dropbox, Pinterest, Instagram, and Reddit. So learn to code, learn to solve problems, and learn 21st century digital skills, and join our workshop on Sunday afternoons. And you can find out more information on codingworkshopsforkids.com.au.